in North America, we have interest, amongst others, in Quebec, which is also, Canada is very forward-leaning and of course really wants to drive change and on both, in our case, both battery manufacturing and steel. But I think I think it's a great opportunity actually for other, we call it developing regions to, build a next generation industrial platform in some of the regions where it makes sense. And it has to make sense. Very hard to do something which doesn't have the industrial logic. But there are actually plentiful regions, locations where you were able to establish next generation industrial platform, low carbon, and which it could then provide societal growth, meaning that you are adding value by of course, creating jobs and all of the aspects of how a growing industry impacts society. And I would say a region like I really like Brazil. Brazil has a fantastic, actually a lot of an abundance of power. And there will be a lot happening in Brazil. I think they have a forward-leaning approach. I think they could be a powerhouse for low carbon industrial platform for both South and maybe Middle America. I think that type of sort of situation which exists there is where you have abundance of power, in relative terms, a stable society. You have raw material that you're able to, in this case, iron ore, that you can actually, build into another more value-added product. Very important. And I think there are locations around the world where, if you get this right, there's a great opportunity for developing countries as well. But it is harder, of course, because you need that stability. It's very large investments, and you want to make sure that in order to have all the prerequisites in place, you need amongst that political and societal stability.